at the gravy. Mmm. Gravy thick, man.
Some of you have been asking, so what about the chef's face? I want to see the chef. Well, first of all, I'm not a chef. I am just a Jamaican housewife sharing the way I do things in the kitchen. Today, I'll be cooking Jamaican curry chicken, and I'll serve that along with some white rice, or what we call plain rice. These are the ingredients that I'll be using. In this bowl I have 3 pounds of chicken, the lime to wash it. I have a medium onion, chopped, not finely this time though, but it's still chopped. I have 1 medium bell pepper, we say sweet pepper here in Jamaica. I have 2 medium carrots chopped. I have my ginger. You can't cook curry without your ginger. And I have half of a Scotch bonnet pepper, all chopped. In this bowl, I have combined my jerk seasoning, my paprika, my Cajun seasoning, so I don't have to take in them up one at a time. Okay, I have here 1 large Irish potato, diced. I know a lot of people is gonna bash me for this, but I love to cook my curry with tomato, so I have half of a tomato here, and of course we can't forget our garlic. I have the oil right here, and we're going to go ahead.
Carefully place the chicken in the hot oil, trying not to splash to burn yourself, and let the chicken fry for a moment, and then stir and cover the pot. The water is now boiling for us to add the rice. We're going to put the butter in first, and then we wash the rice and add it. When you're cooking curry or brown stew for that matter, it is important that you keep turning the meat in the gravy so that you have an even distribution of the color. You don't want some to look too light and some to look too dark. So you'll have an even distribution of the color when you keep turning it. We're going to add the seasoning now to give the added flavor for all those seasonings to cook down in the meat. I'll also add the carrot and the Irish potato at this time. So the Irish potato will help to thicken our gravy, and then we'll add the water that has been simmering on the stove. We're going to be sauteing some mixed vegetable in a little butter. The butter is a little too much, so we are going to be removing some, and then we'll add our mixed vegetable. Add a little seasoning to give it a little spice. We don't want it to taste too fresh. Cover the pot and then allow it to steam. It's now time to add our garlic. And remember, we add our garlic a few minutes before we turn off our flame. Garlic is not just good to flavor our food, it is good for your health. It helps to reduce high blood pressure, high cholesterol level, and it also helps your immune system to stave off inflammation and a whole lot more. So, especially in this time where there's so many flus and colds going around, use up your garlic. Look at the gravy. Mmm, gravy thick, man.